Hello, this is Adam Rayner for Talk Audio TV. You're looking at my multimeter, which I had to fix eventually by hitting on the desk. Yes, I'd left it till it got dusty. Underneath it, brand new Odyssey battery. It's floating at 12.61 volts. Over there is the 10 ampere marine charge you do, which is not on. A whole bunch of cables, those of safety interconnects. But if I pull back, well, I can tell you the music you're listening to is by the Bass Mechanic. It's off the DB Jams, DB Drag CD. And Neil Case is my mate, so he's not going to sue me. What we're looking at is a Clarion bass box. First off, let's just have a little look at the head unit. She's quite old. She's well old. As is this album. Track 5. If we go over here, this amplifier has been reviewed on Talk Audio, and right now it's hooked up. We're sending a solid bridged output into a 4 ohm doodah here. The 4 ohm doodah being the Clarion SW2513B. Which stands for bass reflex. Let's just come down and have a little look at this box. Sorry about my shadow, let's try and get out of there. It's a metallized polypropylene cone. It's ported, beautifully embroidered. Can't tell you when you open up the carton, you get that sticker in there as well. Something else that you don't get from other manufacturers when they make a single bass box is all this. Have a little look at that, 300 watts. It's only 84.6 efficient, 1 watt, 1 meter away. But look at all these parameters. Sensitivity, 84.6, there it is. That one there, the FS, what the heck's that? 30.81 hertz, 811 hertz. That is the frequency at which the woofer wants to wobble all on its own. Like a ruler sticking off a desk. Now I've given this a bit of a go. And she goes. Whoa. You've got to hear the telly downstairs. My very tolerant wife and my parents-in-law down there. But this was a bit urgent, so I thought we'd better do this bit here. Is the verdict. The Clarion SW2513B. Well, weighs 13 kilos, there's bars on the front, metallised polypropylene cone, strontium magnet. Sound quality, I really think that is bloody brilliant. It tracks every note, it drops deep, it's tight, it's accurate, it's beautifully, beautifully ported. As you can see, she's beautifully built. Check out the embroidery quality, it's just lovely. It's just a nicely well put bit together. Well put together bit of kit. I've given it an 8 for power handling, 300 watts, don't suck. Only a 7 for efficiency, because that high power handling comes at a price of something, but value for money. This is 81 quid UK in 2015, which makes that an 8.8, 44 out of 50 on Talk Audio recommended. Ladies and gentlemen, the Clarion SW2513B. To the delicate tunes of a bit of telly shouting downstairs because my poor lady wife has had to put up with me doing this of an evening. I like it. Highly recommended. Check out clarion-shop.co.uk. But the ridiculous thing is, I'm not an awful lot of power. This thing drops like a rock. It really drops. It's fat and it's rich. It's ridiculous. Make no mistake, there is also on Talk Audio a review of a car that's used 12 of a woofer that looks an awful lot like that in isobaric array. That car made 156 decibels.